Bird and Kip, The Running Race. Episode 1, Running.
Kip picked up his beach towel. He went outside.
Good morning, Bird,
said Kip.
I'm going to the beach. Do you want to come?
I can't go now.
Said Bird.
I'm going to look for worms. I'll meet you at the beach later.
Okay,
Said Kip.
I'll see you later.
Kip went down the tree. He headed toward the beach. A woman ran by. Then a man ran by. A few more people ran by. Kip started to run too.
This is fun.
He thought.
I like running.
Kip almost ran into a man. The man was carrying a small sign. He put the sign in the grass. Kip read the sign.
Big race tomorrow morning. All runners are welcome.
Kip gasped.
A big race! That sounds like fun!
Bird and Kip, The Running Race. Episode 2, Training.
Bird found a lot of worms. Soon, she was ready to meet Kip. Bird flew to the beach. She looked all over. But Bird didn't see Kip anywhere.
Where is Kip?
Said Bird. Bird flew back to the park. And then she saw Kip. Kip was doing push-ups.
Kip?
Said Bird.
Why aren't you at the beach?
Kip stood up.
I'm training.
He said. He did jumping jacks.
What are you training for?
Asked Bird.
There's a big race tomorrow.
Said Kip.
I'm going to win.
Kip sat down and stretched. He tried to touch his toes. Then he got up and ran. Kip ran to the playground.
You're very fast.
Said Bird.
Yes, I am.
Called Kip. Kip ran back to Bird. He panted hard.
I'm going to win the big race.
Bird and Kip, The Running Race. Episode 3, The Big Race.
Kip?
Bird called the next morning.
Are you up yet?
She looked in Kip's hole. Kip wasn't there.
Kip must be at the race.
Said Bird. Bird flew to the starting line. There was a big crowd. The runners had numbers on their shirts. Suddenly, the race began. Everyone started to run. Bird watched the runners go past. She didn't see Kip anywhere. Bird scratched her head.
I wonder where Kip is,
She said. She saw Squirrel.
Do you know where Kip is?
Asked Bird.
Yes,
Said Squirrel.
I saw him going to the beach.
The beach?
Said Bird. Bird flew to the beach. And then she saw Kip. He was lying in the sand.
Why aren't you in the race?
Asked Bird.
I can't run in the race.
Said Kip.
I'm too tired from training.